We hear a lot that, especially women say that, there's a biological clock. But I want to ask, especially in the context of this show and otherwise, is there a biological clock for fathers also? Like, is there a right age to be a dad?
I mean, there are two different questions there. There's a biological clock, and then there is a different age thing, which is a mindset. Biological clock for men continues till I mean, pretty much till the time they're alive.
Yeah.
They can produce.
Yeah.
Mentally, I feel that to each their own, but I do feel that what's important to keep in mind is just know that when your kid is about 10, 15, when they will need you to kind of play cricket with them or play soccer with you or do physically exerting stuff, if you're too old and you're not able to give that time to them, then you will regret it more than the kid will. So just keep that in mind.
But just, I think Kumaji was 40 when he
Yeah,
married
40.
you.
No, he was 30. Yeah, so he was 40 when our son was born.
Son was born.
Yeah.
So was that ever a concern that he also shared with
No,
you?
I don't think he I think he didn't know what was hitting him. कि पहले मिले फिर शादी हो गई फिर and so it was very quick. We met, we dated for 8 months and we were married. And I'm 8 years younger than him. So I was 31, he was 39. And I actually had to just look at him in the eye and say कि मांगता है तो बोलो. It was literally as simple as, and he's like, ये क्या तरीका है बात करने का? मैंने कहा मांगता है तो बोलो. He's like, अभी तो शादी हुई है, अभी तो हम मिले हैं, अभी तो we have not even spent any time. I said, boss, बाद में जाके you'll tell me कि सही किया. So took 40 तक, एक साल के अंदर we had Kabir. Then I think by the time Kabir turned 12 and 13, he turned to me and he said, thank you very much. Because we both knew, I said, if you want children, then we'll have it. If you have a thing that I don't want, that's a separate issue. But मांगता है तो बोलो. तो this thing, then he's saying, नहीं अब तुमने सही किया. At least he's, now my son is 16, but he's had the physical energy and the mental energy to take him through 16, right? So now we feel really good that although we met late, ना तो हमारा तो ये नहीं कि we were dating for 10 years. We met and it was like instant, तो हो गया.
Neha, in your case, has the second child been by the time it was born? Were you and Angad more comfortable with the idea of being parents?
Yeah, for sure. Like, I also had, we also had Gurik, and when I was 40, so, you're older, and then there's also this thing becoming a mum in your 40s, and there's so much like talk around it and stuff like that. But I mean, we were very comfortable with the fact that, okay, now there's one and then, there's another one. But second time around, you know the beats. That's the difference. Na? I mean, what to expect becomes, okay, this is what is going to happen, so we know what to be prepared for. So it was pretty it's simple in the sense that also there was the lockdown. So, there was a lot of time and, focused time and attention at that time. So somewhere, I'm not saying the timing was good, but we were around the kids a lot. So it makes a big difference.
Yeah. Prajakta, do you think that, if I can call you the generation after them, do you think that now this generation looks at parenthood very differently?
As every generation does, I think.
Like, what is the difference that?
I genuinely think that they're a lot more conscious about that decision. I remember Mama and Baba talking about this. My mother was 23 when she had me. When I was 23, सवाल ही नहीं था कि that's even a thought that we were getting. And if you ask, I'm speaking strictly from the metro side of things. That's where I have grown up. तो अगर आप किसी भी 23 पे आप post graduation कर रहे हो, जो भी है उसे आप most लड़कियों से आप पूछोगे, that's not anymore. लेकिन 30 साल पहले ऐसा नहीं था. It was obviously, as the generation changes, I'm sure they are a lot more conscious, they're a lot more aware, they're a lot more in touch with how they are feeling and how to express that. They know how to put a point forward. They know how to ask for things. So I definitely think that they're a lot more kind of conscious with these decisions when it comes to parenting, how to do it, if it's something you want also or not. For the longest time तो सवाल ही नहीं था ना कि शादी हो गई तो बच्चे तो होने ही हैं. अभी it's a choice that couples are making कि हमें चाहिए बच्चे.
And I think it's really important that everybody should be given that respect as a couple to make those decisions, whether they want children. And there should be no judgment कि अच्छा इनको तो बच्चे नहीं चाहिए. I mean, it doesn't make you a better or a worse person. It's just a decision that you take as a couple, and I think it should be completely respected.
So it's nice that these options are seen more often around us.